All right, got Miss Angela's Jeep back in here. And if I remember right, I needed the hood prop 2000 to keep the hood up. Yes. And we need to get to the idler pulley. Hey everybody, welcome back to Fixing Things. On this episode of Fixing Things, we're gonna put an idler pulley, a tensioner pulley, idler pulley thingy on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's got the 4.7 liter edition of it. It's got a V8 in it, and that idler pulley is just, tensioner pulley is wore clean out. We got a brand new one to put on it. We're gonna put it on. On our next video, we'll be putting on some new struts. So stick with me and we'll see how to put those struts on too. All right, so before we get going on this idler pulley, we're gonna do the idler pulley. Actually, it's the tensioning pulley. The idler pulley's right there. You can't see it, the light's not on it. But the belt is not even on right. So the belt is supposed to loop down, go around the water pump, then come back up and go over the alternator. This is way, the alternator has more gripping power, it has a small pulley, and you need to have good gripping power on it. So she's lucky it wasn't slipping. It may have caused the pulley to break. But to get this off, you got to put a breaker bar on that. I believe it's like a 15 millimeter. It looks like a 15. Loosen it up. Take the belt off, and we'll put it back on the right way. And then go the opposite way and take the pulley off. All right, here's what the new one looks like. And here's the old one. I mean, that right there is what's left of the plastic. Maybe they didn't put the spacer on it. I don't know. I'll check it out. Let me clean the threads up on this thing. All right, we got the idler pulley on now. Now it's time to move the hood prop 2000 over to here a little bit. Hopefully that's not in your sight. And let's see if we can get this belt on properly. So it's already around the one properly. It's going around that one-ish properly, but it needs to come up from the water pump Okay, it doesn't go on the way the picture showed it. I'll put it back on the same way they had it. I'll give it a quick start, see what happens. So that's a success. That thing is wore jam out. That was the idler pulley. All right, that's going to be it on installing the idler pulley. It was actually the tensioning pulley, the one with the grooves on it, on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's got the 4.7 liter. I looked on the internet. The internet was showing the belt going a different way. And I tried putting it on that way. It did not go. It did go back on the original way. And it's working good, smooth. I do hear possibly an EGR valve going rattling bad. And it's got a little bit of a rough idle to it. And the check engine light is on. If I had a code reader, my son had one here yesterday. He worked on my daughter's van, but I don't have it here. But that part is done. That thing was wore jam out. That thing was bad. All right, on the next episode, we're gonna put the thingies in there. the struts on the next episode of Fixing Things with Pastor Bill.